car chase. Oh shit! That looked like a death race. Damn. Holy shit! Whoa, bro! Team 1 just doing work.
Yo, beat his ass, beat his ass. Yo, hold it. Yeah, keep him pinned. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out, get out.
And that must be Jimmy Buckets. That's Jimmy Buckets.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm surprised there's that many people that
Oh shit! Who got the weather in the car together? Oh my god!
Deadly sin.
I just watched the fucking stream, bro. I went to the box and...
Pancake.
Fuck yeah.
Oh,
It's close. Oh, he's got smoke going down there.
he's in the zone.
Ooh.
Mari's not. Mari's got to move.
Mars got to move. And here we have it.
Yeah!
Oh, I like on camera that you have like we got the Skittles and the Deathstroke thing there.
Where do you see that?
In your view.
Oh yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
could like take a Skittle out. That was good.
Are they still good?
I don't think so. It works though. It works. Gotta put some nugs in there. Oh, don't eat them. That shit's like fucking
Christmas?
Christmas.
Yeah, they're still good.
Dude, it's summertime.
They're not hard as a rock.
Oh,
I'll eat the.
get an early rip for ballin'.
I'll eat the old Skittles.
An early rip for ballin'.
That's
So, okay. So what we're gonna do now is we'll spin this wheel.
Let me do this. Got
Wait,
the wheel.
Hold on. Okay, perfect.
I'm gonna give it a light spin.
Winner, winner, chicken spinner.
A light spin.
A little light spin. Zoom in on that so we can see what it says.
$20 duo match.
Yes. Yes. More games, Jacob. Yes, we'll explain as soon as this match is over. We've got a 2-on-1 situation here. Sizzle and Wanheda versus Ben Stover. What a final 3 for the death race. Ben Stover's getting ready to light it up. Representing the Army Esports team, Ben Stover is.
Yup.
I had so many kills without a gun, said Lewis.
They are in the bobs, by the way.
They are in the bobs?
They're
Hell
in the
yeah.
bobs.
Ballin' out, Bull. Coming soon. Coming in 1 week, every Thursday night.
This is real.
This is really real.
I don't think Wanheda has a gun.
Doesn't look like it. A badass helmet.
Maybe she has a grenade?
I would use the car. If you got nothing, use the car. What else can you do?
Yeah, but if he's got an M249. Oh, Sizzle goes down though.
1v1 now. Wanheda versus Ben Stover.
She drives out of the zone. Where's she going, bro?
Playing risky.
She's gonna die.
Risky.
She's gonna die outside the zone.
Oh.
Ben Stover. I'm trying to take people out. Caden's on one side of the crate.
Oh shit.
Takes down one, but it gets taken down. Koabu scared everyone off. Oh!
Oh shit.
Caden almost gets ran over. Grenades coming in. More grenades coming in. Ooh! Ooh! Binz goes down. It's Koabu by himself. The action is real.
Pancake. Milkshake.
Fucking winner, winner.
$10 on the line.
Buckets is just chilling. He's like, you know what? You guys fight it. Oh, Paz sees him now, though.
Ooh. Made it in the house. Nice move.
You do not see Paz miss very often. Ashley Bridges, what is up?
Uh-oh, we're missing it.
No, we're not. Paz almost goes down.
Ooh, now Buckets is on the roof. Skeleton's running across the road. That's dangerous.
But he's focused.
Ooh, he's got his eyes set. He's got his eyes set. What a kill. Jimmy Buckets, Mad Skeleton, 1 kill away from $15. Gonna take it. Hey, Ashley. Thanks for sharing.
Oh, he's going for it.
Oh, what a beautiful win.
Done for. Jimmy Buckets
$15.
wins the $15.
Gotta do more melee games. I like them.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy. Look at this madness.
When we need something fun, this is our go-to.
9 people left. Who's gonna win
8.
it?
There goes TCC Death. Tanner.
The Almighty's still up. Roach Clip's still up.
Ben Stover gets taken down by Gold MC.
Here goes the zone.
Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen.
People dying everywhere. Who got it?
Who got it? Wait for it. Dominic and Gold MC.
Wow.
That's word.
Dude, the alerts are going absolutely fucking bonkers. From Xavier, says Jesus.
Nice.
Okay. Now we can switch places.
Okay.
We'll spin the wheel.
Time for a wheel spin.
And when we're setting up that room, you can go to your Okay.
Perfect.
Oh, it feels good to be back.
Perfect.
All right, so let's see here. So we're going to go to the camera.
Okay, so hold on. Let me go to... All right.
Got it?
Kinda. Let me change this one a tiny... There you go. The wheel much better. Let's go. Cash game number 2.
Nice easy spin.
Winner, winner,
Easy
chicken
spin.
spinner.
$15 solo match, bro.
Nice. It's gonna be a good one tonight.
Damn.
$35 already on it.
Woo!
Nice. Glad to see that's still catching on. Farm motherfucking tastic.
Oh, here comes crazy. Here
Ladies,
comes crazy.
It's got it here.
Oh, he almost gets him.
Ooh, he's
Oh, they're gonna push him.
Now he's
They're
gonna
all
get,
pushing.
He's gonna get flanked. He's gotta handle it.
There it is.
Oh,
Crazy.
G4, round 1.
G4 takes round 1, bro.
Minutes.
round 2. Ladies, go.
Uh-oh.
Rowdy and Drowsy taking shots at each other. Crazy.
Making a move.
And he's
Didn't
gonna
work.
get taken out.
Didn't work. Here comes Drowsy to finish the job.
They're gonna
They're gonna leave him. They're gonna just worry about. Yep. Peek his head out. And now Drowsy and Judgment know where Rowdy is, as long as they separate him. Almost got it.
Done.
Got it. We have
Done.
ourselves sudden death.
It's gonna be a long
Round
It's gonna be
3.
intense though. It's gonna be worth it. I
Ladies,
promise.
go.
Ooh, early. Genius knocking Buddy.
They're gonna go res him though. Rowdy. The Molotov goes in.
Shit.
Oh, 3 knocked. 3 knocked already. And Simple is by himself. And here's Drowsy. Drowsy gets
Ooh.
knocked by Simple. That's it. That's it. Fucking Ion.